So hello everybody.
Long time no see.
Long time no see. What day is today?
It's not cruise day.
It's not cruise day.
No.
It should be cruise day.
Well, Monday would have been cruise day, but we would have been traveling to Florida today.
Yeah. So today would have been our second cruise that we would have been on this year.
Yep.
And for obvious reasons, in case you're watching this video like 20 years from now, the pandemic has changed that
Yes.
a little bit. So we had to alter. We had to change our plans.
Yeah, we had to improvise and come up with something else to do
Right.
because we are tired of being at home.
Yes, we've tried to do our part. We've tried to stay at home.
We've done our part. We've
Yes.
more than done our part.
Yes. So something probably most of our regular viewers don't know is, in addition to doing cruises,
We love to camp.
we love to camp. And you can actually see out the rearview window, there's our camper.
That's our camper.
So we are going to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge area for 5 days,
5 nights.
5 nights.
We are actually already here. We're not going.
Well, I wasn't going to tell them
Oh.
because I didn't start filming before.
Yeah, unfortunately, we wanted to make sure that we got to where we were going and all of that stuff, because kind of packing up an RV and making sure you're ready to tow and all of that stuff is a little stressful.
Yeah, and we've been really slacking with the pandemic and everything. We haven't been taking our RV out. This is only the second time this year.
This year, yeah.
So there was a lot of extra work. But anyway, we'll just pretend.
We'll just pretend that we're still in our driveway at home.
No, we just got here. We just got hooked up. But yeah, so we're gonna take you guys along for this 5 days in Gatlinburg / Pigeon Forge. Oh, and here's the other kicker. Yeah, I almost forgot. There's like an 80% chance of rain every single day we're here.
You know, it was supposed to be beautiful this week. It was actually supposed to be humid and warm and sunny all week. And then last weekend, they started saying maybe some rain one day of the whole time that we were going to be gone. And now it's every single day.
Mm-hmm.
But we're hoping that that's not the case.
Yeah.
And we'll get some time to relax and some time to play.
And even if it isn't, there's some really good restaurants. We're gonna take you guys around. We're gonna see some good restaurants. Hopefully,
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna eat some good food at a minimum. Maybe see some cool stuff. See some mountains. Maybe a bear. Maybe a bear.
Maybe a bear.
I don't know. They got
As
bears
long as
here.
it doesn't get too close.
Yeah, they got bears here. So I don't know, but we're gonna do it, and we're gonna see it, and that'll be that.
That'll be that.
All right, so right now we're heading to the grocery store to buy food and eat food.
Yeah, we need to go to Walmart and then go to eat some food and then go to the grocery store.
Yeah, so we will see you guys after a while. All right, so we are at the Up the Creek campground in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we are pulling out of our spot. We are in spot A, and I'll do a more in-depth
Yeah, we'll do a little walk around video.
walk around. Hopefully it doesn't rain every day, all day, so I can walk around. But I'm just gonna do a little drive-through here video. Got you on my dashboard so you can just kind of take a look. Now, if anybody's familiar, what? GPS is talking to us.
Yes.
GPS is telling us we're lost. If any of you are familiar with Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area, you know that a lot of the RV spots are really parking lot-ish. That's what we call them.
Yeah.
They look like parking lots.
Left toward Little Valley Road, then turn left.
Oh, we're turning left. But as you can see, this park, the spots are very well spaced out, and there are trees, lots and lots of trees. Each spot has water, sewer, cable, and power hookups, 30, 50, and 20 amp.
And the park has Wi-Fi.
And the park has Wi-Fi. Have you tried to use Wi-Fi yet?
I have not tried to use it. There are no bath facilities, though. There is no bathhouse at this campground. So you do need to have the ability to have like an RV or something that has full hookup.
Yeah, you do need to be self-contained.
Bumpity bumpity.
Bumpity bump.
Should have brought that gimbal.
Yeah. Welcome to Pigeon Forge. There's the sign. So during the pandemic, we did have a chance to upgrade our equipment. We haven't had a chance to use it yet.
No.
And then I didn't bring it with us.
Well, we have it with us.
Well, you're right. I didn't bring it in the truck.
We didn't bring it in the truck.
Yeah, I left it in the camper. So hopefully from here on out, after today, you guys will get super smooth
footage.
No bumpity bumpity.
But this video may be a little bumpy.
A little bumpy.
Hey, there's goats on the roof.
Goats on the roof?
Yes.
Okay.
There's actual goats.
On the roof?
On the roof.
Oh. Okay. So, we went to Walmart. So somehow, and we're not going to speculate, but somehow our towels did not end up in our camper.
No.
So we were like, no problem. We'll run up to Walmart and grab a couple.
Yeah, we're only 4.5 miles from a Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
No problem.
24 minutes to get here?
26 minutes to get here.
Mm-hmm.
4 miles away.
Mm-hmm.
And that Walmart, I have never seen so many people in one place in my entire life. Ever. It was like Black Friday. And now I am on one of the aisleways. Trying to pull out to right in front of the store, the parking lot in front of the store.
Yeah. And there's so much traffic that I can't even get down the aisleway. And this gentleman's going to walk right into my truck, apparently. Okay.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
So just be forewarned.
Yeah.
Have your patience on lock. If you need to come to the Walmart in Sevierville,
Pigeon Forge
area. Because it is crazy.
I said updates when we got on the road. JK. 4:24.
What time was it?
Well, it was 4:14 when I turned on the camera, but we had already been sitting for a good 2 or 3 minutes, so
Okay.
we're still in the Walmart parking lot.
Patience, y'all.
Patience. Worst setup ever?
Absolute worst parking lot configuration ever.
Okay, I'm turning right.
Yeah, so be careful. There's a car coming.
I'm turning
Oh my
right.
God.
Oh, please stay in your lane.
Please don't kill us.
Okay, 4:29. I'm on the road, 4:29. So, what was that, about 15, 18 minutes to get out of Walmart, and then we almost died trying to turn onto the road. But, you know, we made it. We're alive.
Adventure, baby, adventure.
Yeah. Adventure. So now our next adventure is food, because we have not eaten a single bite of food today.
All day.
It is 4:29.
Yes.
And we did not eat.
We have not eaten. We are
Anything.
both starving.
I've had a cup of coffee and half a bottle of water.
Another way I know I'm not on a cruise. Because if I was on a cruise, I would have eaten 6 times already today.
Yeah, and had a couple of fun chip specials.
Yes. Which.
Actually,
I mean,
no, we wouldn't. No, because we would have been a Royal Caribbean.
Oh yeah, so we wouldn't have gotten Fun Ship specials.
Yeah, we were.
But I definitely would have gotten something.
We were-
Adult beverage, like to drink.
We were supposed to go on which Royal ship?
Mariner of the Seas.
We were supposed to be on Mariner of the Seas for a 5-day out of Port Canaveral, and obviously that got canceled.
4-day.
4-day?
Mm-hmm.
All right, 4-day. And before, we were supposed to be on Carnival Liberty out of Port Canaveral for 4-day. When was that? That was back in
That was in March.
That was March.
We were supposed to leave like March 30th. And they did all the cancellation stuff like March 14th or something like that.
And as long as we're sitting here in traffic, in case anybody's curious, we have rebooked.
Yes.
We're gonna try to do a mega vacation.
Mega vacation for us because we don't get a whole lot of time off. So
I know there's some people who, especially some of our favorite YouTubers,
who get to do all kinds of cruises every year. But we normally don't get to do more than one a year. So 2021 a year is what we've been averaging.
We're supposed to go up to 3 this
2020
year.
was supposed to be like great because we were supposed to have 3.
We're supposed to have 3.
But that's okay because now we are scheduled to go on the Carnival Radiance December 5th.
8 days out of Port Canaveral.
8 days, Southern Caribbean, out of Port Canaveral. And then the day that we get back from that cruise, we get off of the Radiance and get on the Harmony of the Seas.
Yeah, we get off the Radiance in Port Canaveral, walk around to the other pier, and get on the Harmony.
I don't know if we're going to walk around, but we make it to the other pier.
And get on the Harmony of the Seas.
And get on the Harmony of the Seas for 7 days.
Right. So 15 days.
Math, it's hard.
Math is hard. 15 days. So that's our reschedule. So from December 5th through December 20th, I think we will be on a ship.
Yes.
So lots of vlogs coming at the end of the year. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed that COVID goes away.
Right.
Coronavirus, we're sick of you, Rona.
Right. So that'll be coming the end of the year, first of next year. But in the meantime, we are going to be doing, like we said, some camping, and we're going to take you guys along, hopefully on a couple of different trips. I'm hoping, maybe some shorter ones.
It'll just depend on what work will let us get out of, but
yeah. We usually do a lot more state parks.
We do a lot of, weekend camping at state parks, and where we leave, on a Friday afternoon and come back on a Sunday. So, but this is kind of the first time we've taken the RV out for more than a couple of days. So
yeah, and this is the second time this year. So.
Yeah, and normally we go at least every season, which we usually count our season March through the end of October. Every season we usually go once every 3 weeks or so.
Yeah, about once a month or so.
But not with Rona.
All right, well, there is a very loud Harley Davidson right next to me. I don't know if you guys even heard anything we just said, and I just had to edit all that out.
That's okay.
Maybe I did.
This may not even make it into it.
Maybe you're not even seeing this.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just talking to myself while I'm editing.
Yeah.
But, all right, we are going to try to get some food. Anyway, so updates. Man, there's like big trucks and motorcycles. This is not conducive for vlogging, people. With your giant trucks and motorcycles. I have a truck, but mine's not a giant diesel.
Well, I wouldn't be mad if it was.
Wow. I know, but I couldn't vlog in it if it was. All right. Updates later.